we do the second question. Okay, hello dear friends. Let's take a look at the second question, which is question number 10. ax to the power of 3 plus bx, ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d equal to 0. In the equation above, a, b, c, and d are constants. If the equation has roots -1, -3, and +5, which of the following is a factor of the above function? ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d. Okay, from the above explanation, what do we know? We know a, b, c, d are constants, but we do not know the number. We do not need to figure out the number, but sometimes we have to figure out each of them to understand. No, this problem is not about figuring out A, B, C, D. It's about figuring out the logic of this problem. Okay, so we know when we know the root of an equation, it means x equal to -1, the equation becomes 0. When x equal to -3, the above function becomes 0. When x equal to 5, the above becomes 0. So let's see which of these makes it exist. When x equal to -1, and this one is not 0. When x equal to -1, b is -3, no. +5, no. So only when x equal to x plus 1 makes x equal to, when this one becomes 0, x is -1. So B is the answer. Okay, question number 7. X squared plus 6x plus 4. Which of the following equation is equivalent to the expression above? It's about changing, it's testing your quadratic formula. We know x plus y squared equal to x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. It's testing about this formula. So plus 3, this becomes minus, x minus 3 becomes minus, so this 2, c and d is out of question. And only think about this. And x squared, a becomes x squared plus 6x plus 9 plus 5 is 14. I'm sorry, I'm always out of the range. Okay, I will, do I need to write it down again? I do not need. Okay, so this is A, which is not right, and B minus 5 becomes 4, so B is the right answer. Okay, hello dear friends. Here is another word problem. Ken is working this summer as part of a crew on a farm. He earned $8 per hour for the first 10 hours he worked this week. This must be an old SAT test, and now it's $15 per hour. And if you pay $8 per hour, you will be sued, right? Okay. Because of his performance, his crew leader raised his salary to $10 per hour. So he makes Ken makes 10 hours of work at the rate of $8 per hour. Okay, first we read the problem and then we will do it. Okay. And because of his performance, his crew leader raised his salary to $10 per hour for the rest of the week. Ken saves 90% of his earnings from each week. What is the least number of hours he must work the rest of the week to save at least $270 per week? Okay, let's see. So how much does he make? At the very beginning, he makes $10 per hour, and he worked for 10 hours. And later on, he was paid. He was really good. He's clean and fast and strong and agreeable person, and he makes $10 per hour. How many hours does he work? He makes X number of hours. And so this is what he makes. After he makes, he save up. And he save up the money he save up is Y, let's say. Y equal to all the money he made. All the money he made. Oh, sorry. Okay. So he makes $8 per hour for 10 hours. And then he raised into $10 per hour. We do not know how much hour he make. And he makes saving. How much saving? Saving is all the money he makes times 90%, 0.9. Now we put in the number. So he saves $270 equals to what? The first 10 hours, 8 times 10 hours, plus 10 times X hours times 0.9, right? So now we can do some cleaning up. 300 equal to 80 plus 10x, right? Both divided by 0.9. Okay, so 30 equal to 8 plus x. How many hours do we get? 22 hours. The answer is C. Okay, hello dear friend. So this one we will do question number 5. If f of x equal to x squared minus 6x plus 3 divided by x minus 1, what is f negative 1? Put in the number f equal to negative 1. On top, it becomes 1 plus 6 plus 3 divided negative 1 minus 1 equal to 10 divided negative 2 equal to negative 5. So the answer is A. Okay, question number 6. A company that makes wildlife videos purchased camera equipment for $32,400. The equipment depreciates in value at a constant rate for 12 years, after which it is considered to be no monetary value. How much is the camera equipment worth 4 years after it is purchased? So this question, I have problem because I do not understand the rate. I think the rate is a certain percentage. Each year is 10%, the next year is another 10%, another year is another 10%. No. If you are American student, you will not have this problem because I am not English is not my native language, so I had problem understanding it. Now I understand. This constant rate at this point, it means as a fixed amount. If it depreciates 1,000 per year, first year it is 32,400. Next year will be minus 1,000. Another year minus another 1,000. It's like this, a fixed amount of money. Okay, so after this we can start to work on it. So it has a big chunk of money. This is the camera equipment, right? This is the This is the camera equipment, and it was 32,400. And this amount of money lasts for 12 years. Each year is a part of it. And so until 12 years of time, it becomes 0. So each year it depreciates a 12th of its value, right? You can do this. 1/12, 3240 times 12 times 1/12. So you can get a number. And then after 4 years depreciation, and then that amount minus 4 years times this, one way. Another way, what I am doing, 12 years versus 4 years. 4 years, what is the relationship? 4 years is 1/3 of 12 years, right? 4 years over 12 years equal to 1/3. So the whole value times 2/3. Why? Because 1/3, 4 years is used up. There are still 4 years left over. And this is the equation when you think it through. So it becomes 64800 divided by 3 equal to 21600. 21600. Let's look for it. 21600. So C is the answer. 21600. Make sense? This we have done, this we have done, this we have done. Okay. So let's take a look at question number 3. Which of the following expression is equivalent to x squared minus 2x minus 5 divided by x minus 3? So what do we do with this? With this, you can see it's directly a long division problem. You can honestly to do the long division, which is very doable at this stage. X squared minus 2x minus 5 divided by x minus 3, right? So x squared minus 3x, it's a positive x plus 1, x minus 5 minus 3 minus 2. So the remainder is negative 2. Let's see. The remainder is negative 2. And only this one is. So D is the answer. Another way to do it, when you see this kind of problem, instead of do the long division, you put 3. X squared minus 2x minus 5 divided by 3. When x equal to 3, put in the number, what do I say? Divided by x minus 3, right? And you just try this above number by when x equal to 3. 9 minus 6. when x equal to 3. Minus 6 minus 5 equal to negative 2. So we know the remainder is negative 2 divided by x minus 3. So the remainder is negative 2. Did you see? And that is the answer. D is the answer. Okay, hello dear friends. Question number 15. The expression 1/3 x squared minus 2 can be written as such an expression where k is a positive constant. What is the value of k? So these two equations, if it can be rewritten, it means these two are equivalent. So the first one, we are very clear. And now we need to rewrite this expression to make it equal. X minus k times x plus k. Okay, I got it. 1/3 x squared minus k squared. Right? And if you open it up, it becomes 1/3 x squared minus 1/3 k squared. And this is the same as 1/3. Oh, sorry, too large. 1/3 x squared minus 2. Equal, get out. This one, we can, this and this is equal, we can get rid of them. So it becomes negative 1/3 k squared equal to negative 2 k squared equal to 6 k equal to positive negative root of 6. But it is given k is a positive constant. So the negative one we will get rid of. So k equal to negative 1 will be get rid of. So you figure out k equal to positive root 6 is the only answer. So D is the answer. Thank you very much. I think I torture you enough while I enjoy enough. So unfair. Bye-bye, friends. I love you. I really do.